In this video, I'm going to show you how to link XM to MT5. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account on my.xm.com, and then on here, you want to click up top to actually show your accounts. And in here, I'm going to showcase this with a demo account, but you can do the same thing with a real account as well. So under demo accounts, you can just basically create a new account, either real or demo, and just make sure you actually select MT5, and then from there, you're going to have to basically go ahead, put in some of the info, like of course which account you want, and then the leverage, base currency, investment amount, and the name. And after this, you're going to have to set a password as well, and make sure you do remember this password because it's very important. We're going to need it to actually link XM to MT5. So after you have your demo account created, go ahead over here, and of course a real account will work as well. So just click on the account you want to connect, click on manage, and over here click on account information. Now you'll see the server and the MT ID over here. These two things are important, as well as the password you just set. Now you're gonna get the exact same credentials as you can see over here sent to your email as well. So in case you prefer that, you can just go to your email. You'll be able to see this number and the server in there as well. So what I would recommend here is that you copy the server and then you go inside MT5, click on file top left, and click on open an account. In here, just basically paste that in, so xm.com-mt5, and click on find your company. After this, it's going to basically find xm.com, click on next, and then click on connect to an existing trade account. Your login is going to be the number, which is the MT ID you received from XM, and then the password is the password you just set, okay? So just go ahead and type that in there we go. And then the server is of course going to be listed inside your email as well. For me, this one is the only one available, and that's the correct one, so I'm going to click on that, press finish. And just like that, as you can see, I've successfully connected my account and linked it from XM to MT5. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.